Hey, what's going on everyone? Dennis here, EDC for Fun. Thanks for checking out the video. Today, I'm super excited to share with you an unconventional EDC item that I picked as a response to a challenge put forth by Conan's EDC. So a couple weeks ago, Conan put a challenge out there for us to pick something unconventional to carry for a couple weeks during the month of February. Before we take a closer look at what I've got selected here, I do want to share with you what I carried today. On the wrist, I've got my Citizen ProMaster Diver. I think that's the name. I forget the name. But this is a quartz watch. It is solar powered, and it's absolutely a joy to wear. Got my Spidey Chef. This is rocking my edge on there. Absolutely love this knife. Got the bronze hardware from Blades We Love. Spyderco LC200N, awesome steel. Uber corrosion resistant. Look at that edge popping. Got the bronze titanium Lynch Northwest deep carry clip. Absolute fantastic EDC knife. In the other pocket, we've got the Warrior Mini 2. This is the limited edition titanium water elements light. Got the deep carry clip on there. Tail switch activated. You've also got the lockout button and super bright. And for a larger light, it's actually super pocketable. I love carrying this light. It's fantastic. Okay, so back to the task at hand. So what I have, actually, let's look at the box real quick. Do the reveal that way. This is a Wi-Fi microscope. As you can see, it's got the little Wi-Fi symbol on there. It says 50 to 1000x. Reviews on this thing debate that, but whatever. This is not a serious tool. This is a fun tool. I paid 25 bucks for this on Amazon, and it's been an absolute joy just to have and to use it. One of my sons is into coin collecting. We look at his coins. We looked at some paper money. Looked at, the edges of my blades, looking at leaves and rocks and just having a blast. Product features video, photo, 1080p, split screen, rotate PC. And this is a Wi-Fi device. So basically you install an app, you connect your phone to this device, the Wi-Fi network that it provides. And once you're on that, you can't use your regular Wi-Fi because you'll be connected to this. But once you're connected and you've got the app open, you can do a few different things on there. But you also have on the unit itself, its own interface. You see that lights up there, which is pretty cool. And it's flashing right now because it's not connected. But basically, you can adjust the brightness of the light. You can do a quick press for a photo, long press for video. Got your power switch there. And then I'll turn this off for a second. You've got your focus ring down here. So you can adjust there. And you've got some LED emitters there. And that's what's lighting it up. For $25, this thing is just super, super fun to have and to use. There's your charging port there. It lasts for about an hour and a half, is what it says on paper. And then it takes about an hour and a half to charge. I haven't actually timed those things. But I haven't noticed any issues. It's only been a couple weeks, but again, this is not like a super serious tool. If you're a biologist, this ain't going to cut it. But if you just want to have some fun and look at things a little bit closer, this is a really cool thing to have. And, it's not the smallest item, but it is, something that you could easily throw in a cargo pocket or a pouch. You could front pocket carry this, and it does have that lanyard on there, but as you can see, it's a little wider than this light, and this light is a little bit on the bigger side, but it's definitely doable. And it's pretty plain, so it's comfortable to hold, comfortable to use, and I'm really enjoying it. So what I'm going to do now, because I don't want this video to go on too long, is I'm going to roll in some photos and videos that I took with this thing, and I'll leave you guys with that. So I want to say thanks for watching. Thanks to Conan for putting the challenge out there. Really cool concept. I'm glad he did that, and glad I had an opportunity to participate. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Leave me a like and a comment, and I hope to see you around again soon. Thanks.